made it.
The maintenance and service function of Keystone Tyco is provided by its Valsa division, leading specialists in after-sales service of flow control equipment.
Valsa, with their years of experience, strategically located facilities. Valsa works at your site or at one of the many Valsa workshops located throughout the Australasian region.
Finally, you have a further choice. If you wish, Keystone Tyco is in a position to offer you total project management.
This total management package can cover every aspect of your system, from concept to commissioning, and all ongoing service and maintenance.
The total package, whatever you want, the way you want it.
Plus, you have the world's largest selection of flow control products, every possible variety, every type, size and style to choose from, for all pipeline processes. And for all industries, an absolute ongoing commitment to research and development globally.
In a world of rapid change, we all need answers and tangible benefits. Thank you. With Keystone Tyco, flow control has become cheaper, faster, more cost-effective and totally value-driven. Thanks. Keystone Tyco, making flow control easier.